Hey there, I'm Joe Carey, and I have fallen behind yet again. This is kind of becoming a reoccurring thing. However, as I stated last month, I'm not extending these monthly campaigns any longer, so I'm gonna need to shift gears and go full-on content creation jackhammer. See, our deadline of July 23rd is quickly approaching.
Okay. I know a lot of you people probably like to wait to the last minute. Well, this is it. This is the last minute.
So stay tuned, folks, and put on a pot of coffee, because this one could be an all-nighter.
Now that's fresh mountain-grown coffee from the hills of Colombia.